Alrighty. Triangle side possibilities. Two smallest sides have to add up. Two smallest sides must add to be greater than the third side. So my smallest ones are 1 and 6. Will those add up to be greater than my other side, 6? Yes. So, yes, it can be a triangle. Two small sides, 8 plus 2. Is that greater than my other side, 10? No, 10 is not greater than 10. It's equal to, so not a triangle. Two smallest sides, 7 plus 12. Is that greater than 19? No, again, they are equal. Not a triangle. Two smallest sides, will those add up to be greater than my third side, 16? 14 is less than 16, so no, not a triangle. All right, moving on. Find the measure of each angle. We know all three angles add up to 180, so 20 plus 125 plus, I'm going to call this x, has to equal 180. Combine those, 145 plus x equals 180. Subtract 145. X is 35 degrees. Here we are solving for x, and we know all three again add up to, in a triangle, 180. Okay, so I'm going to combine my like terms. That's going to give me 130 plus x plus 59 equals 180. 130 and 59 can be added. That's 189 plus x equals 180. Subtract 189. X equals negative 9. Now, is that possible? Okay, yes, it is possible. It's not a negative angle. If I were to plug that in and find that angle, okay, that would give me negative 9 plus 59. That angle would be 50 degrees. They're not asking for the angle. They're only asking for x. Here, they want the angle A. So that's this angle. We're going to say 5x plus 125 plus 6x equals 180. Combine like terms. That's 11x plus 125 equals 180. Opposites, subtract 125. 11x equals 55. Opposites, divide by 11. Opposite operation, that is. Divide by 11, we get x is 5. Now, they're not asking for x. They want the angle. So 5 has to plug in to x. So angle A equals 5 times 5, 25 degrees. Moving on. Usually I'm doing the odd ones. So draw my house. These are alternate exterior angles. Those are equal. So 49 will equal that angle. Okay. So they want to know, find the measure of each angle. That's going to be 49 degrees. Here, I'm going to draw my house, but I've noticed this isn't like one of the house problems. These are vertical angles, okay, because those angles are kissing. Remember, angle touching angle, kissing right there. Okay, so that 82 degrees is going to equal 82 degrees on that side. Okay, if I draw my house here for 15, also vertical angles, that would equal 130. Okay, vertical angles. And I'll go ahead and do these. Draw my house, alternate interior. Those angles are equal, so that would also equal 65. Draw my house. These are same side interior. We know same side interior add to 180. So if I call that question mark x, x plus 52 equals 180. Subtract 52. x is 128 degrees. Okay, these are vertical angles here. Okay, so those would be equal. These also vertical angles, okay, because of that. So equal 13x plus 11 equals 15x minus 5. You got to get your x's to one side. So subtract 15x. Gives you negative 2x plus 11 equals negative 5. Subtract 11. Negative 2x equals negative 16. Divide by negative 2. X is 8. And here, all they want you to do is solve for x. Here, draw our house. Same side interior. Same side interior. Those add to 180. So negative 6 plus 8x plus 18x plus 4 equals 180. Combine like terms. Okay, 8x and 18x gives me 26x. 4 and negative 6 can be added. It's negative 2. Opposite of minus 2, add 2. 26x equals 182. I'm guessing that is, let's see, 7? Yes, x is 7. Okay, draw my house here. These are alternate exterior. They're alternating sides of this fence. Okay, and they are outside of the house that I drew. Alternate exterior, and those are equal. So we know this little box there equals 90 degrees. 11x plus 2 equals 90. Subtract 2. 11x equals 88. Divide by 11. X equals 8. Moving on. This wants you to find x, plug it back in, and solve for the angle measurement. Now these these are next to each other. Okay, that is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles add to 180. Okay, because that is this arc plus the arc next to it forms a line. We know a line is 180. X plus 127 plus x plus 67 equals 180. Combine like terms. X plus x is 2x. Combine those numbers, 127 and 67. We're going to get 194. Opposites, subtract 194. 2x equals negative 14. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Divide by 2. X is negative 7. Now that's not what we want. They want the angle. That's got to plug back in there. So negative 7 plus 127 equals 120 degrees. That's my answer. Okay, again here, same type of problem. I'm not going to do that one because it's the same. That angle plus that angle will add up to 180. Solve for x. Once you get x, you'll plug it back in here. Solve for that side. And actually, so is 27. Let me do 26. 26, same side interior. We know those add to 180. So 10x plus 25x plus 5 equals 180. Okay, combine your like terms. Equals 180. Subtract 5. Divide by 35. X equals, what's that going to be? 5? Yes. Now they don't want x equals 5. They want you to plug that back in. And that's going to be 25 times 5 plus 5. That is 125 plus 5, 130 degrees. And there are your answers. All right.